Did you know that 5 is the number of grace? One man has his hands outstretched for you. That's why I Godot4it. Okay, if you haven't figured it out yet, and you probably never will. Icecream crashed. Yay, I crashed Icecream. Whoa, yay, whoa, yay, woohoo. Okay, so, let's recap really quickly. You've got, on the right side, scene and resources. You've got create new, open, save, and options. Create new, you go new GD script, you save it as with the .gd script extension, and then you write your script. You have to have, I created data.gd, you have to have extends node at the top. Extends node, var waters equals 0, var matters equals 0, function add waters, waters plus equal 1, print waters, function add matters, matters plus equal 1, print matters. And we have our buttons. Under function on water, button pressed, print pressed water, get node data dot add waters. And function on matters button pressed, get node data dot add matters slash data with a capital D. Now, to make sure that this works, you've got scene import and export up in the upper left corner. Click scene, project settings, general settings, input map for when you want to add inputs like the WADS keys, so that your player can move around. Localization, so you can localize it for people who don't speak your language. You probably don't speak their language. I'm probably not going to use that. And auto load, this is what we want. You hit this little double dot here and go to your script/data.gd, and you name the node name data with a capital D, and click add. You can click on this X to remove one, and you click, well, after you add one, you click close. You could remove one with that X, but we're just going to close it. And now buttons.gd, then get node/root/data.add_waters. This now works. When the game starts up, we have waters and matters equaling 0, and we have functions. Now, you could directly modify waters and matters by doing get node root data dot matters plus equal 1 if you want to, but it is better to use functions. That way people can't hack your stuff, which is always fun. And we hit the square arrow. Press water 1, press water 2, press water 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Ha ha ha. So waters and matters will add when you click on them. I will probably finish this up before I finish up the tutorial series on it, but we can go into script. We're going to do FLC function. Wow. SHOW WATES show waters tab. We're just going to do print waters right here for now, so we don't get any errors. You can also use pass. That's a capital, no, that's a lowercase PASS. That will keep an empty function from giving you an error. I think that's really fantastic of them. So, scenes, water sprite. Under water sprite, we add a node, TEXT, rich text label, text edit, texture button, texture frame, blah blah blah, texture progress. So, rich text label. We display size, and move it here, and do this. Property value. That's right. Tip. Moving our mouse. Horizontal, vertical. Beam, focus, custom colors, line separation, visibility, blah blah blah. Right. Rich text label. XT. Enter. I don't want the tooltip to say text. I want the whole thing to say text. No. Text. So, we go to help, search the classes, RICH, text, label, class, add text. Okay, we select this, Control C, script, under data functions show waters, tab, Control V, add text, string text, TRS, and this should work. So under which text label, we do TER, TXT, water text. Now this is where we use the grouping. Groups, WATER, TEXT. I'm just going to use water. We can do water, and then we can use text. Okay, add water, and close. Now, we don't get a list of groups, but as long as the casing's correct and everything's aligned, it'll work. So, go to help, searching classes, GRUP, wait, we'll just close that text, that image, new line, push, pop, clear, scroll, tab, parse, and yep, set used is mine, searching, GRUP, node add to group, node remove from group, node is in group, node get groups. Okay, is in group, string group, constant. Under water text, we're going to click this little strip scroll and we're going to do GD text path. We're going to create a new script. We're going to call it text.gd. I know, it's so original. Create. The path is valid. Okay, function ready. Now, I'm gonna check something here. Good. Okay, I'm gonna grab this function. Function fixed process delta. PASS. Okay, help. Is in group. Now you can do self.isInGroup, but I'm just gonna do is in group tab, and I'm gonna give it the string group. And I'm gonna do, what was it, water? TER. Okay. if is in group. Aha. Unexpected token pass. Doesn't matter. Buttons GD. And we're going to copy this over. The get node root data add matters. We're going to do show waters instead of add matters. And we're going to search txt rich text label. Add text, string text. Script data.gd. Add text, string text. ATRS. Control S. Data buttons. Get node. Print ready text. Okay, function fixed process delta is in group water. Get node data dot show waters. Under function ready. And yes, I'm going to copy a bunch of stuff. Set fixed process to true. This does a delta. If you've ever done Unity, you know what delta is. If not, it's basically the time between frames, more or less. So, everything saved. Control S, we hit the square arrow. No. Non-existent function add text and base node data.gd. Stop. Waters. J. OBJ dot add text waters. Yeah, show waters, and we're gonna pass SEOF. Cannot convert argument 1 from int to string. Wow. We're moving up. End process. str. I am so glad this is so close to Python. Next data add waters, add matters. Huh. Wait, add matters doesn't work. Wait. Oh, we need to hashtag print waters under function show waters. So under data, I've added function show waters. It gets an object and it does object.add text string waters. Text.gd function fixed process delta if is in group water. You know what? Control A, Control C. Go away. Control V. Function fix process delta if is in group water, get node data.show water self. We're passing self to get node data.show waters. Function ready, set fix process true, initialization here, blah blah blah. So it should change the text. Or add the text. Top clear is set is get a scroll. Okay. 2D. Text edit. Okay, we've changed it from rich text label to text edit. Which means in the script text.gd, you need to change from rich text label to text edit, capital T, capital E, capital T, capital E. So, T-E-X-T-E-D-I-T. Remember, the extend name should be the same as the node you have the script on, more or less. So, we're going to try it, and it's still not doing anything, but we do have a mouse over, and we can click on it, and good grief, why isn't this working? Text, text, text. 16. Dialog with buttons, text buttons, center container. Line edit, edit. Text label, text edit, text frame tree view. Let's try rich text label again. Text.gd, Control Z, Control Z, Control S. Oh, there is a dot. Add text, add image, new line, push font, push color, push twice, pop, clear. Oh, That's small, that's small. I should probably add a font or something. But I don't know. Default color. I kind of wish it had text somewhere. Wait, there's a code. Close. We hover over it, we get text. We click on it, we don't get anything. Compared it to the vertical node container and try again. Still nothing. And boom. Play. Nope. Instance button. Text. This is why you should comment your code. I have no idea what's here. Okay. Set texture. Clear. Text. Add text. Text number. Text frame text number. Or in text script. It should work. Get node or data.showWater itself. We're passing itself as an object.addText.waters. If we remove string and just pass it waters, it will come up with an error. But it's not showing the text. Tip. Stretch. Hey, focus. Good grief. I'm gonna say something here. No, he's using buttons too. Huh. I'm gonna have to... Oh, hey. Wait a second. 3, 2, R. In. I just got an awesome idea. STR-WATERS. Text. Oh boy. Oh yes. This is awesome. Okay. Text. Water text. Look. Add. Close. Water text. Close. Water. I'm gonna try something here. Maybe that was it. Control S. No. But